I started probably about 8 to 10 years ago having discomfort in my knees, and I have arthritis that's in the family, so I just thought it was that. But then I started having deformities in my knees where my knees actually started coming together and I was knock-kneed. And it just progressed over the years. It was just affecting my walking and my stability in walking. I was falling a lot. And so that's where I seeked out Dr. Postma and Carly, his PA, to see if there was anything that they could do for me. I went and met with Dr. Postma, and I was so impressed. He sat down, he talked to me, he took the time to explain the options that I had, and he just gave me a lot of confidence that he was the right surgeon for what I needed. I came back to work 8 weeks after my left knee replacement, and I am so much better. I'm, walking straight. People say, oh, you look like you're taller, and I feel more confident. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall. I can go up and down steps without grabbing the handrail. My recovery has really gone very well. I had great support with physical therapy, both home care and in the outpatient setting. I would definitely recommend Dr. Postma, and I would definitely recommend Watervliet. I got wonderful care. I'm glad to have 2 straight legs and standing tall again. And I am so blessed and so glad I got it done.